switch. Hey Jeff, you are a motherfucking bitch. I see you in your parents' basement playing Nintendo Switch. Hey, you tryna fuck these girls, put a spell like a witch. I said that you can't do that, can't get them drunk. I said you are going low, now you stuck in a funk. Always tryna get drunk, always tryna stay crunk. You need to stop, cause in school you will fucking flunk. Oh wait, school? Yeah? You're not going to college, your knowledge is low. That's a low IQ, and I'ma shoot you like a Mewtwo. About to go on YouTube, play some new booze. Got a new cruise, gotta go Chevy Cruise, Malibu. What you gonna do? Boy, nothing, because you ain't rich. You a poor dumbass hoe, you a little fucking bitch. Ayy, and I had enough, always trying to seduce some. You gotta go hard, I'ma make you go reduce some. Ayy, lead, pull 'em up, shoot 'em with the bullets. I gotta do this shit now, hit 'em, get a mullet like Tyler Green. Yeah, I'm lean and mean, huh? You are like Nick Steen. Ayy, okay, you're disgusting, yeah, extravagantly bad. You are like a motherfucker who's always sad, and you like to always brag about a fucking jawline. Take a look in the mirror, cause you ain't even fine. I said, huh, no girl wants to take you out, wine and dine. All they wanna do is look at you, all they do is complain and whine. Hey, yeah, had enough, hey, about to go shoot 'em, yeah, ain't no bluffing, cause we got the diamond cutting in the rough, man, hey, got Evan, got Brady, these are the homies, yeah, and we don't fuck with no lady, cause we've heard of, yeah, have you ever heard of this? No, you haven't, cause you always tryna take a fucking piss, hey, take a piss on the boys, you need to stop, hey, we are here chillin', yeah, we at the top, hey, I see you driving fast, pulled over by a cop, that is Evan. Yeah, works at 7-Eleven. I said we gonna shoot you, yeah, put you up in heaven. No wait, you're going to hell. To these girls you put a spell on them. I go to the teacher, boy, you better not go tell on them. Hey, oh shit, what's that smell? McKenna, you hit that shit like you wearing some henna, huh?